Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 20th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, once the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the Kiwi dollar and really, especially the dollar index, looks like it's ended a pullback. I mean, it definitely looks like a possible A, B, C pullback, and it looks like that pullback is over because we have an impulsive upbreak of structure. Then we have a corrective down, higher low. Now, it doesn't mean that we may not go down on the sort of time frames, but I think there's a very good chance that this is going to keep on going up. Now, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I personally would be recommending longs right now. I definitely would want to go long right now at the top of this move. I would want to see a pullback in order to go long. So if it does start to make a move to the downside, that would be great news for us, especially if it actually goes all the way back down to the 78% and then breaks back up. That would actually make for a much clearer A, B, C pattern and a much nicer opportunity to go long for the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. Now, if it does go down and take out the low right here, if it goes down and breaks that low, then we definitely need to scrap this idea and we definitely need to start looking for shorts again. But if it doesn't take that low, then anything we see to the downside, we need to assume is nothing more than a pullback within a big uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.